Merrill Edge is a brokerage service provided by Bank of America. It offers a range of features tailored to both novice and experienced investors. So I want to discuss on how to get started with Merrill Edge. I want to give like a kind of comprehensive guide. It will assist you to be able to do better as an investor or even as a trader. And here are a summary of what this platform offers. Number one is integration with Bank of America. It provides seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, allowing for easy fund transfers and a unified view of finances. If you are a customer of Bank of America, you have an account with them or accounts with them, very easily you could use this particular integrated services to execute your trade. You have a free flow of funds between, the bank accounts, the brokerage accounts, and the market. Is seamless and easy. Number two, no commission fees. Generally, the offer is zero commission on online stock and ETF trades, making it cost effective for trading. Because of the fact that you trade at a zero commission, that will amplify the kind of profits you will make, the kind of returns you will make as a result of the fact that they don't charge you profits, don't charge you fees, or commission as you use this platform. Number three, research and insights. They offer robust research tools and market insight, including reports from global research and access to a variety of investment research resources. They have this Bank of America global research material. You get to use them to enhance your knowledge. Not only that, they equally give you access to different variety of research tools that will help you to conduct research on a given stock, on a particular set of securities, and that will give you a better informed decision making process. Number four, Merrill Edge Market Pro is an advanced trading platform that's provided by Merrill Edge. It's for more experienced investors with customizable charts, advanced tools, and real-time data. The data is not delayed, it's real-time from the markets, and so you can trade based on real-time information. And more importantly, it is for more experienced investors. If you are a beginning investor, if you are just a beginner, well, it's equally very good to utilize this platform. It will go a long way in enhancing your knowledge accumulation process as an investor. Number five, account types. It offers various account types, including individual brokerage account, that's the traditional brokerage accounts, stock brokerage accounts. You equally have retirement accounts like the IRA, and you have managed account. Managed account here means that the company or the platform or the firm will help you to manage your accounts for you. We manage your accounts on your behalf. You don't need to issue buy or trade, mandates or instruction. They do everything for you. Number six, educational resources. They provide educational materials and tools, including webinars, including articles, as well as help investors to make informed decisions. So through their webinars, through the articles they publish, when you go through those articles, will give you a better knowledge on how to go about your investments as an investor, in the markets. Number seven, investment advisory services. It offers access to financial advisors for personalized investment advice and portfolio management. For the type that you feel you cannot really handle your investment as an individual, you may access the service of their advisors. So these advisors will advise you on what to buy, what to sell, carry out a proper analysis, financial analysis of you as an individual, the goal you want to obtain, your aims and objective of investment. By the time they collate all this information, they can design a portfolio for you. They can advise you on how to go about your investment based on what? Based on your intended results. So this personalized investment advisory services and are available to you as an individual, although it may come at a fee. All the same, it will go along with helping you to get better results. So Bank of America, that's number 8. Bank of America Preferred Rewards. Bank of America Preferred Rewards. Clients who are part of the Bank of America Preferred Reward programs can benefit from lower margin rates and enhanced services. If you are a client of this particular program, you could, if you're into margin trading, your interest on the loan they're essentially giving will be lower than a complete outsider. You get to enjoy lower margin rates, and also other services they present, you get to enjoy the services as well, and which I think other brokers may not really offer these particular lower margin rates when it comes to margin trading. In other words, they're essentially giving you a lower interest rate on the money you are borrowing to enhance or to boost your trade, to boost your profit in the markets. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. It will do me a ton of good. Don't forget to share this video and also press the notification bell. Number 8, mobile app. Features a mobile app that provides access to trading accounts, management, and research tools on the go. They provide trading platform. Not only that, you could equally manage your accounts. You could carry out rebalancing and other management procedures on your accounts, and as well as you could equally embark on research. You can carry out research while on the go. And so distance and location is never a barrier. Your location, your distance is never a barrier. You can very easily enjoy these services. Number 10, customer service. They provide robust customer support through multiple channels, including phone, including chats, and as well as emails and in-person. That's in-person. Advice, as the case may be. When you walk into their branches, they can help you to be able to solve your problems and handle your should I say predicaments as a client. Whatever is a problem, just narrate it there. They will help you to solve issues that relates to your trades or to your investments. It's an integral part of Bank of America. It's a very big conglomerate. It's a very big, financial service company. And so when you key into this particular platform, you get to enjoy whatever benefits they provide to their clients.